In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to insert one Word document into another without copying and pasting. Copy and paste works, but it can be messy and time-consuming for long documents, and you can easily lose formatting or text. This method is much cleaner and faster. First, open the main document where you want to insert the other file. Place your cursor exactly where you want the second document to appear. This step is important because the file will be inserted at the cursor position. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. In the ribbon, look for Object. If your screen is smaller, you might only see an icon instead of the word Object, so keep an eye out for that. Click the small drop-down arrow next to Object and select Text from File. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to the document you want to insert. Double-click it or select your file and click Insert, and Word will automatically insert the entire document into your current file. That's it! Using Insert, Object, and Text from File is the easiest way to combine Word documents without cutting, copying, or pasting. Give it a try. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.